Welcome to Skillznet, where you are empowered for independence and self-reliance. More than ever before, people are looking for opportunities for multiple streams of income, leading to financial freedom. However, your capacity to earn is directly proportional to your depth of relevant knowledge and skills. At Skillznet, we empower you with skills for financial independence. Our vision is to become a leading skill development platform, globally stationed to educate, enrich, and empower for independence and self-reliance. We are on a mission to create a world where anyone, anywhere, can transform one's life into meaningful existence by accessing a world-class learning experience, and also creating wealth for oneself by sharing the same value with others. Technology today is enabling and amplifying the potential of people, and it's a function of two things: what you know and what you're connected to. Skillznet is built on these fundamentals: skills through knowledge and networking. We have an array of courses that will equip you for financial freedom, all for a one-time payment of $10 only. Courses already listed include Forex trading. Forex trading is the act of buying or selling currencies. Banks, central banks, corporations, institutional investors, and individual traders exchange foreign currency for a variety of reasons, including balancing the markets, facilitating international trade and tourism, or making a profit, etc. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Digital currency trading. Digital currency is a balance or a record stored in a distributed database on the internet, in an electronic computer database, within digital files, or a stored value card. Examples of digital currencies include cryptocurrencies, virtual currencies, central bank digital currencies, etc. Blogging. A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, consisting of discrete, often informal, diary-style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order, so that the most recent post appears first, at the top of the web page. E-commerce. E-commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling products on online services or over the internet. Content marketing. Content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. Social media marketing. Social media marketing, or SMM, is a form of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing content on social media networks to achieve your marketing and branding goals. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. SEO targets unpaid traffic rather than direct traffic or paid traffic. Facebook marketing. Facebook marketing is a platform that offers a variety of highly targeted paid advertisements and organic posts, allowing brands to put their products and services in front of a massive audience. Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing is the way that brands use Instagram to connect with their target audiences and market their offerings. Twitter marketing. A Twitter marketing strategy is a plan centered on creating, publishing, and distributing content for your buyer personas, audience, and followers through the social media platform. YouTube marketing. YouTube marketing is the practice of promoting businesses and products on its platform by uploading valuable videos on a company's YouTube channel or using YouTube ads. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. E-commerce with WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It is designed for small to large-sized online merchants using WordPress. And many more courses still loading. Also, you have access to over 10,000 ebooks in our Skillznet e-library. All these for a one-time payment of $10 only. We also have our optional products designed for you to learn and earn. You will access our live trading and training sessions from our seasoned educators, as well as our Signal platform, which enables you to learn and earn on the go. Our optional packages are SwingNet. With SwingNet, you access high-probability swing trade alerts, access high-probability swing trade setups. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. Intranet. With Intranet, you can access live training sessions, access weekly trade outlook, access high-probability day trade alerts, learn high-probability trading strategies, access high-probability trade setups. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. DCXNet. With DCXNet, you have access to understanding the digital currency environment, understanding digital currency trading, access to high-probability digital currency trade alerts, digital currency overview. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. Also, you can subscribe to the following: the Fundamental Dashboard, where you access already filtered high-probability trades, access up-to-date fundamental information on daily market directions. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. And the Indices Premium, where you access premium indices alerts, access premium indices trade setups. This is available for 30 days with a $200 subscription. Skillznet Compensation Plan. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities. Welcome to Skillznet, where you are empowered for independence and self-reliance.